remember how to do it. Okay.
Okay, you click forward, and then when you go in the air, don't let go. Don't let go.
Bitch, look at this shit. We dancing.
Don't let go of the space or the ship.
I don't know how to go.
W.
Thanks. I've been pressing that the whole time.
W and
Oh,
shift.
it was shift. Remember?
Oh god, we're gonna crash. We're gonna fucking crash.
Bitch! Oh, fuck.
Oh, go up. Pull up.
It's fine. This dumbass plane won't fucking turn. It sucks at turning.
You do that, you look like a bird.
Come
Going
on,
like a
bitch.
circle. It's so funny. You gotta pull up more. We're gonna hit in a mountain.
This is fucking hard as dick. And we know how hard that is.
You know. I don't. I'm still a virgin, girl. The plane stopped for a minute, and I got a little scared.
I'm focusing so hard right now.
What?
Oh, bitch, look at this. Oh, we a fucking lightning bug, bitch.
Yeah.
If I can fly this. What did you put a fucking drone up for, you fruit? What's happening?
Oh my god, please don't crash it. Oh my god. Okay, no, gentle. Gently grasp it. Oh god. Fuck! Oh no. Oh no! Ah!
Landed, bitch. Oh, hell yeah. I'm a fucking expert, bitch.
I can hear you guys. I can hear you guys fucking yelling and screaming and shit outside my door.
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. You guys having fun?
I fucking did it, dude. I
I'm
was
so
flying a
confused.
helicopter
I'm
and I was doing
oh
like
my
bird spins and shit. It was fucking good.
She was like spinning like in a circle. Oh, I'm crying.
Is that game really like fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it like Steam, or if I have like over 2 hours, I can return it? If I don't like it.
I don't know.
Well, that's no fun. Because I want to get it, but I don't want to just like.
Hell,
Have
are you
it there
gonna fucking try?
I thought you were driving. I'm sorry.
Oh my god.
We were just
What kind of fun do you have?
on opposite
Guys.
We were both just sitting on the helicopter on opposite sides, and she drives the helicopters. So I was waiting for her to start driving. But I just turned my camera over, and she was sitting there waiting for me to drive.
Where are we driving to? Where are we driving to?
I don't know. I didn't plan it. Okay, we'll go here.
Okay.
You gotta go down. So we Dude, helicopter or not helicopters? Airplanes are hard as fuck.
They are hard. They are hard
Why?
to drive.
Hard to drive. Fucking pick them wheels up and start
Helicopter.
going.
I mean, airplanes are hard to drive.
Don't you just hate when you try to pilot a car and it starts flying everywhere? I hate when that happens.
Damn, it's just fucking.
Me running with my car.
Stella, there's a bunch.
Fucking-
Like, what are you doing?
Fine.
Did you say
What do you
running
mean?
with your car?
We have to steal this helicopter now.
Did you say running with your car, Stella?
Yeah, because I said it once.
You walking past your neighbors? Oh, I'm just walking my
What?
car.
Don't worry about it, okay?
Get in.
Oh, I'm getting fucking shot at, bitch!
Alright, well, I'll come
Oh.
for you.
Oh, now I feel like a prick. Oh, fuck! There's a fucking...
Yes.
Here, come on,
That's what
come
I
on.
meant to say.
When was the last time you played Overwatch, Stella?
Oh, long ass time.
Yes.
Damn it.
Really?
Guess the rebels are gonna have
Who's
to
the
go
last
without
person
for
you
a bit.
mained?
My friend Adam.
Yes.
It's been a really long
Well,
time.
we failed the mission. What?
I have to reinstall
What
it
the-
because and my mom got me a new computer which runs a lot faster. I'm gonna die.
Oh.
So I can actually
What-
like run mod servers now without lagging everyone.
What graphics card do you have?
Oh shit, I think it was 950.
GTX?
Yeah,
Oh, that's pretty nice.
yeah. A lot better than my old one.
What processor do you have?
I have no idea.
Oh, did we break the helicopter?
Yeah, we did. Did you not see
Oh.
a side mission?
It's okay,
fail
we
get done?
have another one. Yeah, but I didn't know how we did it. Okay, we have another helicopter.
I was gonna go sit on the other side for like a second. That was so stupid. Wait, I want to try something.
Don't. Stop. Don't. You can't spin like you can with the
You don't know that.
Stop trying to. I do know that. Helicopters aren't designed to go upside. Eat fucking.
Yes.
Oh. Yes.
Spaghetti.
Oh my god, she's. Who are you fighting? Stop!
We're going downtown.
Let's parachute.
Alright, you
My
ready?
dad is emergency.
I'm gone, baby.
Just
Free falling.
just like fall.
Oh shit, I'm on the wrong side.
Oh shoot, my parachute won't come out!
I'm on the wrong side and it landed so far away. Aw, damn it. Damn it. Randy. Oh, I got hit by a car.
Yeah,
Can I have this car? Sir, stop the vehicle. Give me your car.
You can fast travel. Fast travel?
No, it's okay. I'm on my fucking way, bitch. Beep beep, lettuce. Am I right? Of course I'm right. Skiddly beep bop ba doop bop. Hey, bitch, what the fuck is up?
Stop the car.
Oh my You dumb bitch, got yourself killed.
I don't know why, but you know, like when you go in front of a car and it stops. For some weird reason, I thought that you would stop. Like you would automatically
stop the car. This just.
Damn, that was close.
In driver's ed, we learn what to do if something runs out in front of your car, and I just fucking ran it over. Careful! Don't do anything. There's purples.
Stop it. Wait a minute. Put my dick up. Put some liquor in it.
No, build my. Oh wait, hold on.
Not gonna count.
Put some dick. Julio, get the stretch.
Wait, when you said does NVIDIA count? No. Never mind. I was talking. I don't.
Does chlamydia count?
I actually have a disease,
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
and
What
it's
is
called really fucking. What the fuck, dude?
That's what it's called.
Is that what it's
really
called?
fucking. What the fuck?
It's called fucking Farah. That's what disease is. I hate Farah.
Is it like an actual?
How is she like a character? No.
Oh, okay. I was
How the
like,
fuck is she a character? I don't understand how she's a character in this game. She
Wait,
shouldn't
which
even
one
be
is
in
it?
this game.
Snake,
Farrah?
snake.
in Overwatch?
She's fucking retarded.
Which one is that? The one with the glove? The purple girl?
No, it's the flying in the air with a rocket gun.
Oh, I don't like that one.
She's a fucking slut, and there's a goddamn bitch behind her.
Uh-oh.
I like Dia. Is that? I probably didn't say that right. I don't. DE.A.
Oh shit, we got
I
this
just
thing
got
again,
clapped.
Stella.
Oh,
Careful.
I've done this
Get in a building.
before. Get in a building. You slid like Michael Jackson.
Like Michael Jackson.
Michael Dixon.
Oh Lord.
Uh-oh.
help me.
We have purple patrol.
We have purple.
Don't ever say that in my town again.
Oh,
bitch!
you faggot.
That tango's done.
Damn.
Ow! My fucking dick!
Oh, I'm
My
sorry.
dick's getting shot off!
My dick's shot. Help, officer. Uh-oh.
Bitch,
Uh-oh.
Stop it!
Ruh-roh. Purples.
Oh, heck
Hey.
no.
Oh! Where?
Oh, dick.
You
You gotta kill the purples.
If you kill the purples, more will come. That,
Well, maybe I want them to come.
that sounded so wrong.
Oh.
It was supposed to. Oh, did you send reinforcement?
No, was I supposed to?
Okay. Alright.
Oh, they're harder to kill. Was that supposed to be reinforcements? Side, look at the health
Right
of the radio.
How about you suck my fucking dick, okay? Damn it! Did that just
Dude,
blow up?
I'm down.
Okay.
I'm sending back up.
Call the rebels for mortar fire.
Copy that. Shut out.
Dude, walk to Kakito.
Fuck, we lost the broad.
Run,
Hold on longer
run,
next time.
run. This mortar shirt.
Oh.
Enemy down.
Nope! Nope! No! Please fucking fuck me. No! I
She
almost
got
made it.
Where are
I'm
you?
dead.
Oh, you're in the street.
Away?
Away.
Oh my god, we got ourselves into so much trouble. We're both gonna die, so it's
No, we're
okay, sweetheart.
So what do you even do in that game?
It's kind of like Grand Theft Auto, actually. I think it is.
Why do I sound
It's
like
like
an
a mix
old
between
woman?
The Division and GTA.
I sound like an old woman when I laugh. God, what is wrong with me? That is not even
the-
close to an old woman laugh. You know, like when you laugh so hard, you hold your laugh. Ugh.
Like the silent laugh.
Huh?
Like the silent laugh. Oh, bitch, we right back where we started. Let's fucking do this again.
Like this. Not like that.
We'll let the rebels know where to find these
I hate
supplies.
Genji.
Like this.
They could pay us back later.
Like that. I have the worst laugh. I told my mom, "Hey, mommy, I got my laugh from you."
Here, ma'am.
She's like, "Honey, no, that is not my laugh. I don't laugh like a hyena." And I'm just like, did you hear that?
Okay, I'm fucking sick and tired of these big bitches.
Did you hear that cry for help? Sai, move out of the damn way.
How about you suck my dick, okay?
Sight.
I'm trying to fucking. Hey. Hey, guy. Fuck
How about you just get bend over and get rammed?
Yeah, do that.
Very
Sight.
good suggestion, but I think rather not at the moment. Oh, bitch, that guy almost ran me over!
That's pretty cute.
That's pretty. I almost died. That's adorable.
Oh, this guy's ass.
Okay,
What?
let's try this
Your grandma's
again.
weird.
Stop that. Right now. Hey, must be the gummies.
What?
If you wanna go and take a ride with me, I
It
don't
must
know
be
the
this
rest.
marijuana.
Smoke smokes the rares. What did I just say?
Hello, motherfucker.
Eat fries, motherfucker. I'll suck your dick, motherfucker.
The
Eat
fuck you
fries,
shooting at, pussy
motherfucker.
bitch?
Kill confirmed.
My bed is dressed in Gucci linen.
Gucci land?
Oh, fuck.
There's a
So how
product
you really feel?
named Gucci.
Maybe I will, okay? We're gonna fucking. Oh!
No. What happened?
I shot him in the dick, and he fucking jumped.
I hate when that happens.
I'm trying to spot all the rebels for you. I mean, the bad guys for you. So.
Thanks, father.
You're welcome.
Oh, fuck you.
Enemy killed.
Come on out, pussy.
Sure thing, man.
Yes. Oh, fuck! There's so many, Stella.
I know.
Ah, my dick getting shot. Okay.
I'm trying to. Oh my god, that's a lot. Yeah.
Oh, shit!
Can't let these assholes keep jamming our signal.
We lost.
Damn it, Randy.
Patrick SpongeBob.
Maybe we shouldn't do this mission yet.
Yeah, I think there are too many people.
Oh, fuck!
Damn it,
Fucking
Rando.
hurt! I'm dead.
Dick, I'll shoot your butthole.
Behind you, behind you. Cool, so let's not do that.
Who was that? Sai, was that you?
Yeah.
When you did that, I just imagined like a really fancy guy with a mustache going. I don't know why.
I think the laugh afterwards, like I was trying not to laugh, but it came out as like, like, hold on, let's just fucking do this one. Oh, go B first.
My friends say that I have
Well, that's
3
five
different
stomping
laughs.
upstairs. Over here.
My friends say that I have 3 different laughs. I have hyena, explosion, and then dwarf. Because when I laugh really hard, I like shake the table and like I tap on the table and clap, and they're like, "You're like a
What
fucking
does the
dwarf."
dwarf sound like?
No, I just
One-
it's just how I normally laugh, but like I
That was my
I go like that and like shake. The
What are
table
you
and,
yelling
like, rock
for?
Back.
My mic was on and I forgot to turn it
I
on.
heard that. I didn't understand anything. You're good, G. You're good. I didn't hear
Bro, is someone
anything.
talking about fucking like cheese biscuits and shit?
I didn't understand
I went in
anything.
my parents' room because they were yelling. Did you hear them?
I
Yeah.
only heard your dad.
Yeah, I forgot to turn my mic off when I went in there. Oh shit, we getting shot by Unidad, BB.
Sounds like someone was like, "Turn off the fucking cheese biscuits." That's what it sounds like I heard.
Oh, they were talking about how they're gonna shoot our cats. Clearly.
Well,
I mean, why?
fuck.
What else would it be? Oh, I got a really bad itch. Hold on. Okay.
That's why they invented marijuana. Actually, they didn't. Nobody invented. What the fuck am I talking about?
Me.
Wanna what- This fucking car is chasing me.
Eat some biscuits and do some marijuana.
Unless they get on their knees and suck my dick right now, I'm gonna kill them.
Oh, dick on a stick.
Oh my god, there's so many! They look like little ducklings! They're so cute!
It's not a good idea.
Okay, that hurt. I'm not gonna lie, that
can't-
really hurt.
Fucking beat the.
Oh shit.
Well,
Oh. I heard, like I heard. That's all I heard. Heard.
You heard.
Talking like a southern person. Help me.
Yep.
yeah.
Okay, there's people. Oh, Dad. Just wait till this match is over. It's like not even that much. It's
Ew.
Overwatch. I'm getting fucked. My team fucking sucking balls.
You're
I'm just playing 3v3s.
Me.
We only have to go to 3, and it's like 2 versus 1, and we're winning. If they, yeah, we're gonna win this.
You ain't gonna like this, but I ain't got time to argue.
You're
Oh,
the
Stella.
best. She fucked me.
Unidad's here, we gotta go.
Oh, game's over. Hey guys, I'll be right back.
Get in the car. Okay. Fucking get in the car quickly, quickly, quickly.
Go,
Okay.
go, 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 go. What is happening? What is happening?
Everything is happening.
I'm happy.
You know what else is happening? Oh.
Dial it back.
Let's chill out a bit.
That's against my religion. Get out.
I have to go beat myself after that. I'll be back though.
What?
What happened now?
Get out of the car.
Get out of this wall. I'm gonna die, Sai.
How do we get this building? I'm panicking.
I'm gonna fast travel to another base. It's far away from these
Sala,
fuckers.
we have our mission is right here.
You know, you suck my dick. That will make it a lot worse. You're dead, aren't you? No, you're not.
No, I'm fucking getting the mission done. Get in the car and come pick me up. You, you dumb bitch. What are you doing here? We don't have a car.
I'll get one.
There's bad guys surrounding us. There's a car.
Okay.
Drive, drive, drive! Get in the car! Ella,
I'm out of
gonna
breath.
pick you up, okay?
I'm out of
In the
breath.
car.
They stop.
Go. I'm awesome. No, you're not, dude. Don't lie. I'm awesome. Driving around in mom's right. I'm awesome. Going around my life, God. And I met all my friends online. Motherfucker, I'm awesome. I know think I'm wrong. I'm awesome. There's no voicemail, nobody calls. I'm awesome. I can't afford to buy 8 balls, and I talk to myself on my Facebook blog. So yeah.
I'm dead.
What?
No,
Don't
no, in
fuck
the
with
game.
me.
In
Yeah,
Zelda.
where?
In Zelda, not in this game.
Oh, I was like, it does not say you're dead. What are you talking about?
What are you?
What are you lying? We're getting shot at, motherfucker! Oh,
Oh!
Una dick is on our train. Hop off
Like
my
two
dick,
dicks.
bro.
Kinda like when twins are born, a person's born with 2 heads. It's like a dick instead. Instead of an extra head.
These guys need to fuck off, though.
I know. Hop off our dicks. I'll get it.
The
Stay in the car.
fuck are you doing?
I got it. I don't got it.
I'm angry. Sorry, I'm calm and sophisticated woman. I
I'm
really
gonna go get
want
an apple.
cake. No, you aren't.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not. My neck, my back, my Netflix, and my snacks. Okay, we gotta do this because we're right fucking here.
Hostile down.
Fucking hell.
Fucking hell.
Right. Could you let me just do this one thing for my family?
No.
Oh, bitch, we got a turret this time. Let's
I'm
go.
riding the motorcycle.
You don't want to shoot the turret?
I changed my mind.
Okay. Let me just commit real quick. Hey, sexy. Stop it. Stop.
Yes, ma'am.
Nurture. I nurture my skin. Champagne, cocaine, raspberries, peach, and emojis in the sea.
What are you doing, man?
Yay, bitch! Guess we're going up.
That's it. No beers tonight. We're losing our
Wait,
edge.
what?
What? Oh, the time ran out.
Get back in the. Where do you think you're going? I'm gonna leave.
Wait. Where's the gunner? There it is.
We had a